And the next program is the announcement of the names for the head boy and head girl for the academic year 2023 and 24. But before that, let me tell you a little insight on how we have actually finalized the names of the head boy and head girl. So, 2 weeks ago, we conducted a speech competition within the class 10 for this purpose. And I must tell you that each and every candidate gave a good speech for themselves, and I genuinely appreciate each and everyone for doing the thing that scares the most all of us. And do you know what is the one thing that we are scared of? Do you know what is that one thing that most of us are scared of? So it is public speaking. It means you are told to come in the front and speak in front of everyone. How many of you can do that? कर सकता है कोई ऐसा? No, no. But still, our candidates did that, and I really appreciate them for doing that. I'm sure all the candidates, you all will appreciate your own effort and the experience that you got from this public speaking. But as I had already informed you that speech was not just enough to decide who would be the best candidate for the head boy and head girl. I had already informed that after the speech, we were going to observe the candidates on different parameters. And the parameters that I had already explained in my earlier speech, if you might have seen that. Since it was a competition and we actually had to finalize the names that were open only for one or two, okay? But before actually announcing the names of the candidates for the head boy and head girl, I would like to share some of my thoughts on this. See, students, personally, I admire and respect the efforts that you all made by yourself than the result. As you know that when you play a game, winning and losing is not that much important. What matters the most in our life is the effort that we take. Are you all agreeing with me or not? What matters the most in our life? The experience and the lessons that we learn from the efforts. So I say that all the candidates, be happy for yourself, cheer up each other, and clap for each other. Students, all the candidates, please clap for them. So now I have finally moved on to the announcement. So do you want to know who is the head boy and head girl? So the best candidate who is best suited for the post of head boy is, any guesses? Okay, I request Smita Patil ma'am and our respected principal Rajesh sir to come forward on the stage to hand over the patches to the head boy and head girl. So the best candidate for the post of head boy is Ayush Mishra. Clap for them. And any guesses for the head girl? Okay, your guesses are right. I'll call Varsha Yadav for the post of head girl. And I request our respected trustee Smita Patil ma'am to say few words in regards with the students.
Good afternoon everyone. I know you all are bored. You all want to go to the class. But just 2 minutes I'll take. being a head boy and head girl and prefect is not an easy job. First, cultivate the discipline in yourself, then you can cultivate it in other students as well. So the first thing is coming to school on time. I have seen many prefects coming late. So just make sure, since it is officially done today, tomorrow onwards all the prefects are on time and managing all the students. And just make sure you're not rude, or don't be rude to any of the students. You can encourage them and discipline them in a good manner also. So just make sure you behave well so that your students also behave well, because they are going to look up to you. Even for the head boy and head girl, I would like to say, students are going to look up to you, so just make sure whatever you do in school is within the boundaries of the school, so that the students will follow you. Okay, thank you everyone.
I congratulate the head boy and head girl, and I hope that they do their jobs with more dedication and be very passionate about their job and know the seriousness of this post.